Hello, my name is Michael Driscoll, and in this tutorial we will be learning how to make a wxPython application that fades in and out. So as usual, we'll start by creating a program with wxPython. Go ahead and create our frame. That we will be fading in and out with. As always, we have to initialize it. Not a whole lot going on here that you probably haven't seen in my previous videos yet. And we're going to get there. As always, frames don't have a parent unless you absolutely need one. In this case, obviously we don't, because it's going to be the only frame. Now we just need to set a couple of values. And go to delta 5. And we'll add a panel, make it look right. And then we will set transparent. Okay. And this will set it to transparency level 5. And then we'll add a timer. So our timer is actually a nice little thing that wxPython provides. It's kind of like a little thread, for lack of a better way to describe it. And it just kind of sits there, and every now and then it will fire off an event. So let's turn on our timer. Tell it to start, and we'll have it run every second. So this is in I don't remember exactly what the amount is, but it'll run fairly quickly at 60. And each time it runs, it will call this event. So let's bind it up to event timer, and then we'll have it change the cycle. We'll just call it self.alpha cycle. This doesn't exist yet. This is going to be a function that we're going to create right now. So do cycle, self event. And then inside of this, we're going to take our amount that we created earlier, and we will add to it our delta, which is also 5. Then if self.amount is greater than or equal to 255, which is basically as opaque as you can get. 255 is the high amount, 0 is the completely transparent, and self.data delta equals negative self.delta, and we'll reset the amount to 255 because we really don't want to go over 255. That doesn't make any sense. And then the other thing we want to do is if self.amount is less than or equal to 0, we don't want that either because that doesn't make any sense. So we'll say self.amount is equal to 0. We'll just reset it. And our delta will be reset to 5. And the other thing we need to do is call setTransparent again with our new amount. Right. That looks about right. Let's do our last bit here. Alright, now we just need to create our app object. Tell it not to redirect. And then we need to create our frame object, which is my frame. And then we want to show the frame so the user can see it. And then we just need to start the main loop. Alright, let's save this. We'll just call this fader or fader.py. And let's give it a run and see what it looks like. So as you can see, it is fading in, and then it fades back out again when it hits 255. And then it'll just keep doing that and cycling back and forth. So that timer is basically firing like once a second or thereabouts. Alright, well that's all there is in this particular tutorial to see. I hope you enjoyed that, and you'll check out some of my other tutorials. I'll see you next time.